Everybody. I'm gonna have to shoot.
Yeah, like that's kind of like what mine will be.
Timmy.
Holy fuck.
Holy!
Oh no, fireball. I'm having PTSD again.
They're all messed up. We're nicely laid in there.
Drink up, suit up your services, grooms when is required. Holy fuck, that's badass.
So you gotta bring the glasses down to the ceremony, and
Does it go?
there you go.
Oh, I feels real now that I'm in the dress now. I'm actually getting nervous. He turned a hoe into a housewife.
Guys, it's happening.
Yep.
Okay, I think that's perfect. What do you think?
You like that, Mom?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a little bit less on the side.
Yeah, because I want to show the tattoo.
All right.
On the back of her head.
Do you want it that far?
Yeah.
Are we set?
Huh? It feels weird.
Hey, Jesse, did you want a set of lashes? I have extra. Oh, I've got a set on actually.
Okay, they're just super faint.
pretty nice,
sorry.
Sarah.
Oh gosh, I love you. You're stunning.
Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove.
Take me up. You lift me up.
You got a fast car. I got a plan to get us out of here. Been working at the convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far. Just cross the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs and finally see what it means to be living. See, my old man's got a problem. He live with the bottle, that's the way it is. He says his body's too old for working. His body's too young to look like his. My mama went off and left him. She wanted more from life than he could give. I said somebody's got to take care of him. So I quit school and that's what I did. You got a fast car. Is it fast enough so we can fly away? We gotta make a decision. Leave tonight or live and die this way. So I remember when we were driving in your car. Speed so fast I felt like I was drunk. City lights day out before us, and your arm felt nice wrapped around my shoulder. And I had a feeling that I belonged. I had a feeling I could be someone, be someone, be someone. You got a fast car. We go cruise and entertain ourselves. Still ain't got a job. Now work in the market as a checkout girl. I know things will get better.
Welcome, family, friends, and loved ones. We gather here today to celebrate the wedding of Sarah and James. You've come here to share in this formal commitment they make to one another, to offer your love and support to this union, and to allow Sarah and James to start their married life together, surrounded by the people dearest and most important to them.
You make me feel like a good person when the rest of the world judges, hates me, or sees me as less than. I am so incredibly in love with you and the amazing man you are without the ego the other men show to prove something. You are the one man I fully respect for that reason. I vow my life to you, my body and soul, and my unconditional love to you. You still make me as nervous as you did when we laid on the trampoline in Valley View and changed our lives forever. Along with grew and struggled to keep a hold of one another during the most memorable years of our lives. You'll never fight alone. Whether you're right or wrong, I'm going to be standing by your side with fire in my eyes and fighting.
My love, my queen, as I sit here drinking a glacier fresh coconut, reminiscing about the last 15 years of my life with you. All I'm able to do is smile from ear to ear, in such disbelief knowing I found my soulmate. Now I could stand up here for hours telling you and everyone here how much I love you, but those would be nothing unless they were shown through repeated little acts of devotion. I vow to trust and value your thoughts and opinions, even though 99.999999999% of the time,
I'm right.
you're always fucking right. I vow to choose you every day, a million times over and over. Not because I have to, because you said you'd cut a bitch if she ever came near me. But because I'm so in love with you, Sarah. You're my best friend, my all, and I wouldn't want it any other way. I forever want to be the king in your story.
Can I kiss him now?
By the power of your love and commitment, and the power vested in me by the state of I don't really know, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Yes, Sarah, you may smooch him now.
So I remember when we were driving in your car, speed so fast, I felt like I was drunk. City lights day out before us, and your arm felt nice wrapped around my shoulder. I had a feeling that I belonged. I had a feeling I could be someone, be someone, be someone. You got a fast car. We go cruise and entertain ourselves. Still ain't got a job. Now work in the market as a checkout girl. I know things will get better. You'll find work and I'll get promoted. And we'll move out of the shelter, buy a bigger house and live in the suburbs.